Interrogative pronouns. Definition, how to use and examples. Human beings, both young and old, are inquisitive and love to discover new things every now and then. Asking questions might be one of the most enjoyable things they usually do. Interrogative pronouns help you with your undeniable curiosity by letting you frame questions. In this video, you will learn all about interrogative pronouns, their usage and the difference between interrogative pronouns and interrogative adjectives. With the examples, and you will be able to have a clear understanding. Let's start with definition of interrogative pronoun. An interrogative pronoun, like the name suggests, is used to ask questions. It refers to something or someone. What, which, who, whom and whose are the 5 interrogative pronouns in the English language. How to use interrogative pronouns, points to remember and examples. Each of the interrogative pronouns is used to ask very specific questions, direct or indirect, about a particular something or someone. The interrogative pronouns, who, whom and whose refer only to people, whereas the interrogative pronouns, what and which can refer to things, objects or people. You would have noticed that the same words are also used as relative pronouns, often found in complex sentences. To find out if the interrogative pronoun refers to the subject or the object, you can always try answering the question with the interrogative pronoun. Example 1. Who was the keynote speaker? Nick was the keynote speaker. In the above example, Nick is the subject and the interrogative pronoun, who can therefore be said to be the subject pronoun. Example 2. Whom did you speak to? I spoke to Ms. Claire. In the above example, Ms. Claire is the object that the subject, I, has spoken to. So it can be said that the interrogative pronoun, whom, is an object pronoun. Example 3. Whose is this black bag? It is mine. In the above example, the pronoun, it, refers to the black bag, and so it can be said that the interrogative pronoun, whose, is an object pronoun. Difference between an interrogative pronoun and an interrogative adjective. Like demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives, interrogative pronouns and interrogative adjectives differ based on the roles they play in a sentence. If the word is used to describe more about the noun in the sentence, it would be an interrogative adjective. On the other hand, if it is used to identify or substitute the noun that acts as the subject or object in a sentence, then it is an interrogative pronoun. Here you can see a table that shows difference between an interrogative pronoun and an interrogative adjective. Here we have provided you with an exercise. Pause the video and check your knowledge of interrogative pronouns. Check the answers given below to find out how far you have understood the topic. Thanks for watching. Like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.